the joint chairman of this committee and chairman, banking, insurance, and other financial institutions, distinguished Senator Obasani, chairman, Senate Committee on Capital Markets, distinguished chairman, Senate Committee on ICT. Thank you so much, Mr. Chairman, for giving us the opportunity to make these brief remarks, which is just a prelude into the main discussions for today at this sitting. I'd like to first remind everyone that cryptocurrency, which is the main thrust of our sitting this afternoon, is generally regarded as an electronic or digital currency that is issued by largely unknown, unregulated elements using computer codes that are basically meant to encrypt or hide information about both the transactions and the operators. And in a sense, it is money that is created out of thin air. Put another way, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, cryptocurrency is used to describe the activities of players in an electronic dark world, where transactions are extremely opaque, they are black, they are not white, they are not visible, and they are not transparent. In another parlance, these are people who deal in transactions that not only do not want a trail, but indeed, by its nature, cannot be trailed. I'm sure that these definitions alone are scary enough to create anxiety for any regulator or central bank or Fed in any part of the world, and that is the reason virtually all regulators in the world do not recognize it. Since many Nigerians delved into its usage, we have been studying its development and paying close attention to occurrences in that space. Now, we know enough at this stage to decide that a continuation of these opaque activities significantly threaten the safety and soundness of our financial system. And like you know, the CBN has a major and primary responsibility as a primary regulator to protect activities of all actors and stakeholders, and particularly uninformed actors in that space in the financial system, from other actors who may wish to take advantage of their lack of or limited knowledge to rip others, the uninformed people, off. And that is the reason we have asked all banks to desist, to cease, and indeed desist from operating accounts for cryptocurrency dealers in Nigeria. For avoidance of doubt, we have tasked our banking supervision, our payment system, and our IT departments to conduct a thorough investigation into the activities of current exchanges and their major players. The result of the investigation will lead to better understanding of the activities and may be unveiled to all in due course. However, we know that cryptos or bitcoins have been used to facilitate scam, which we all popularly call 419 transactions. They have been known to facilitate money laundering. They have been known to be an avenue through which kidnappers receive ransom, and they have been known to be instruments that are used to finance terrorism, not just in Nigeria, but in different parts of the world where these have thrived. And that's why we sometimes wonder, from data available, that Nigeria comes second in the world. And most of us are applauding the fact that Nigeria comes second in the world in the use of a tool that is used to facilitate scam and 419. We come second in the world in the use of tools that are used to finance money laundering. We come second in the world in the use of a tool that finances terrorism. Our business is not a popularity contest. Our business is to protect the uninformed and ensure that those who seek protection in a regulated environment receive those protections. Let me state that this decision is in the best interest of every well-meaning Nigerian who has nothing to hide and is happy to have traceable and transparent dealings in our financial system. As many of you may have heard, even the International Monetary Fund, the US, United Kingdom, Europe, agrees with us and highlighted that a vast majority of central banks around the world have taken the same position as we have done here in Nigeria. I'd therefore like to ask for everyone's patience and understanding as we continue to monitor this space and get a better understanding that enables us to keep protecting our depositors, facilitating loans, and safeguarding our financial system for the good of Nigeria and Nigerians. I thank you all for your attention.